Okay, so this is a Volvo Penta 290 diesel dual prop for an AD41P Penta motor. I thought I'd make this because I've been stealing videos off of everybody else for years how to, so I wanted to contribute, even if it's just to help one person. The front prop, pain to pull off. It gets stuck on there, kind of welded on over time. So I was able, instead of buying a $300 puller, I found this puller on Amazon. It's kind of a commitment. You drill drill holes and put 2 screws in there. Get a washer on the front of the puller so it doesn't get in there and booger up the threads. And then work it out 1/8 turn at a time while lightly tapping on the prop with a ball peen hammer to keep it all loose. And then you have to start torquing it pretty good, so you'll just have to get a wrench on the end of this thing eventually. And it should come off really, really slowly. Mine was on there really good. It came right off.